Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're cooking lamb stew. The ingredients and the recipe will be listed down below in the description box so you can get your measurements from there. First, we're starting to season the meat with some salt and pepper. Now we're gonna saute the meat on olive oil till it turns golden brown. Just turn it occasionally so it cooks evenly. We're gonna prepare the veggies by chopping the carrots in small cubes. Slice the onions. It doesn't really matter if you use yellow onion or white onion or even red onion. I just had a red onion, so I used this one. Next, we're gonna chop the celery stalks. I'm gonna use just the 2 celery stalks, but you actually can use 3 or even 4 because celery is actually improving the flavor of the meat. And finally, we're gonna mince the garlic cloves. We're gonna use just a half of the orange because we don't really have a big portion of a meat. As soon as you see that the meat has already turned golden brown, we're gonna remove it to the side and let it rest. And we're gonna just replace the oil and fry the veggies. We're gonna saute the onions, carrots, celery, and the garlic all together. And you have to stir it until it's all caramelized. Yeah, it will take some time. You probably have to cook it around like 3 to 5 minutes on a high heat. We're gonna season the veggies with the salt and the pepper. Don't put too much salt if you use the stock cube. Then we're gonna add some tomato paste and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. The next step, we're gonna add 1 cup of red wine, turn the heat to the medium-low, and we're gonna wait until it will reduce in half. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of a chicken stock. If you're gonna use a vegetable stock, it's totally fine. Bring everything to the boil and squeeze the half of an orange to a pan. Then we're gonna add the thyme. Actually, you can use the fresh thyme if you have, but I'm gonna use the dry one. Then the bay leaves and the rosemary. Rosemary you also can use dry or fresh. Now we're gonna put the meat back to the pan and bring it to the boil. Little suggestion guys, if you have oven-proof and hob-proof pan or cast iron bowl, you can use exactly the same bowl to stick it into the oven. If you're anything like me, so you just transfer it to a casserole dish and cook it for 200 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Every Saturday we're gonna post a new recipe. Please let me know in the comments below what do you want me to do next time, or if you have any suggestions, just let me know.